The number one mistake that I see guys looking to increase their testosterone make is obsession, which leads to excess. Training is known to benefit testosterone. This has led to the belief that there is something wrong with skipping a day at the gym. Wrong. Overtraining can lead to reduced testosterone levels. Taken to an excess, a thing can have the opposite effect, and it does. In studies that demonstrate that exercise boosts testosterone, most of these studies are only short-term studies. The increases to testosterone were seen mainly in guys combining that exercise with weight loss, or guys with existing low testosterone levels who did not previously exercise. In guys with optimal body fat levels and who have developed an established training habit, further increases to testosterone are much less likely. It would be more accurate to say that regular training promotes testosterone production and helps us to maintain healthy testosterone levels. More training will not give you more testosterone. Overtraining can lower T levels, and rest and recovery are important to testosterone. The same thing occurs with supplements. When it becomes known that a supplement or a mineral is beneficial to testosterone or has been shown to increase T levels, again, most of these studies that have demonstrated increases in testosterone levels in men with existing low testosterone levels, and in the majority of these studies, these men have been deficient in that particular vitamin or mineral that's being studied. This has led to many having the belief that taking huge doses such as 5,000 UI per day of vitamin D will give you more testosterone. It is extremely unlikely. A slight increase to the daily recommended amount in things like magnesium, zinc, vitamin D and boron, for example, will be beneficial, but taking that to an obsession and taking huge doses just because papers and studies have shown that it increases testosterone will highly likely make no real difference at all. It's fairer and much more accurate to say that any deficiencies will lower testosterone levels, and it is important to include all micros in our diet and to prevent any deficiencies in order to maintain testosterone levels. But of course, with the truth, it's more difficult to sell these supplements to you. Now, foods, restrictive diets, vegan and carnivore are both trending diets that can both have a negative effect on testosterone for different reasons. Both of these diets have millions of followers. Vegan is deficient in cholesterol, taurine and creatine, to name but a few. Carnivore can produce iron overload and high cholesterol if that diet is not balanced in some way, and it is also deficient in carbs and deficient in fibre. Putting the body into ketosis for too long can also lower testosterone levels. Now, eating red meats is beneficial to testosterone, there's no doubt about that, but so is eating white meat, fish, fruits and vegetables. Anything taken to an excess can have the complete opposite effect. Now, chilies are also good for testosterone and good for androgen sensitivity. Taken to excess, they will give you the shits and a whole load of other problems. Ginger is excellent for testosterone levels, but again, too much and can give you digestive issues. Same with raw garlic, same with too much olive oil, same with, anything taken to an excess can often have the opposite effect. Eating a varied diet is the best approach by far for testosterone, avoiding any deficiencies. Now, the omnivore diet seems to have been neglected and is not trending, so many people are not following this diet. But 5 years from now, it will be the testosterone diet, and everyone will be including a bit of everything in their diet because this is the best strategy for testosterone. The best diet for you is the varied diet that is dialed into the perfection of your own body, not the trending diet that everyone else happens to be following. Avoid becoming obsessed and taking things to excess. Often it has the opposite effect. Treat your entire bodily organism. Don't become obsessed and focus just on testosterone increasing testosterone and reducing estrogen like many guys seem to be doing. A balanced body brings balanced hormones, and balanced hormones produce optimized testosterone. Subscribe to this channel and follow this series for more.